Well, hello. As you can see, I'm not at the beach. I'm in the mountains of California at my daughter's goat ranch. And she asked me to come out and help her with a 5-day dry fast. Of course I did. And so she has done her first 5-day dry fast. Congratulations to her, and all of her pains are gone, aches are gone, like immediately. They've been going on for months, and now all that's over and fixed. So it's beautiful. So I thought I'd show you my first 7-day dry fast. This one's already half gone. Eat a full watermelon to get the potassium and the endogenous water from fruit, because this is easy water inside these little babies. Yeah. So tonight I will stop eating around 7 or 8, and that's it until next week. Cheers. Okay, it's 5 o'clock in the evening on the first day, but of course I haven't eaten anything since last night, and I'm just moving towards ketosis. I'm about halfway there. In the fast, I'm feeling good. I've gone from 163 to 159 in weight. My mouth is a little sticky, but you know, that's to be expected. And it's a phenomenal thing to not be hungry and not be thirsty and lose all this weight and be able to be around food and not have any cravings. This is the way nature has designed us to heal. This is the way nature has designed us to fix problems. Okay, it's day 4. This morning I weighed 154, so actually I've lost 9 pounds in 3 days, but that's pretty phenomenal. I feel great. I'm not hungry. I'm not thirsty. Again, I'm just taking it easy because it is a little fatiguing to be in this autophagy state, which I've been in now for about 48 hours, which is great. Okay, it's the beginning of day 5, and I figured I'd wear this shirt because my tongue is coated. Went down to 151 today, so I've lost 12 pounds over the last 4 days. I'm not thirsty. I'm not hungry. Yeah, my mouth is a little sticky, but that's to be expected. And you can see I got that beard going on here. Yeah. So yeah, 5 days of not shaving. But as far as maintaining this starvation state, it's not hard at all. It's day 6, and I feel enormously better. Really on top of it. Still enjoying the little naps here and there. But this is where the fun really starts, because after you get through that 5th day, you've gotten through the days where much of your cellular tissue has been repaired, with all the removal of senescent cells, all the mitochondria fixes, all the destruction of viruses, all the destruction of toxins, all the destructions of bacterial infections. There are stem cells that will be regenerated and propagated to replace all that missing tissue. And that's why you do this. You do this to the point where you get rid of the old stuff, you stimulate the stem cell system to come into place to replace it with brand new young cells. You end up being young from the inside out. There's no surgeon that can do that. Only nature, only your own body. Day 7. Starting weight 147. My voice is hoarse, but I'm feeling great. I just had a quart of coconut water and a quart of baking soda water. I'm going to let that sit in. I've ended my fast, but everything went great. I feel great, and I got a pretty severe beard started here. That's going to go in about 5 minutes when I take a shower. Anyway, things are looking great. I'll report back later, and have a good day. Okay, I have to tell you how remarkable it is after the day and a half of being off the fast. All my energy's back. I'm quick. I'm doing this stuff. It's great. It's remarkable how much better I feel. It's remarkable that my voice is back to normal again. And I got to tell you, this stuff really works. So stay tuned, and I'll give you more updates as things happen. But as you can see, I got the energy back. Anyway, have a good day. Bye. As you can see, you get out of these things pretty quickly. You don't really have much trouble with it. And anybody can do it if you have a little bit of help and some knowledge. So that's what we do here at the Phoenix Protocol. We help people do these things and take a dry fast. Get yourself back in shape. Get yourself together again. It's a wonderful thing, isn't it? This new food. Yeah. Anyway, so I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Check out the videos below. There's probably lots of answers to questions you may have about dry fasting, and I will see you tomorrow.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.